Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. If you need more information following today's video, or you need more information on San Miguel, or would like to purchase any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series, there's links below in the descriptive box. Today we're going to talk about timing. Basically, was it better here in Mexico before the Spanish arrived, why the Spanish were in charge, or afterwards? Often on tours or on lecture circuits, folks ask, when was it better? When the indigenous ruled or after the Spanish conquest? That's a loaded question, if only because there is no easy answer. The politically correct answer is to honor the indigenous. However, that's tough to do. They were often violent, with human sacrifice and cannibalism the norm. Now, that's not to imply it was all butterflies and rainbows once the area became conquered, starting the Spanish Inquisition centuries from 1520 to 1820. Catholic Spaniards had their own gruesome murders and customs. Now, with the exception of Mel Brooks, no one can find humor in the Inquisition. Recently, I read a 1990s book by an Irish-American priest whose whole point is how Mexico was better off under the Spanish than the country has been since freedom from Spain. Now, there's a point of view I've never heard before. The author's perspective was that Spain, aka the Inquisition, though he never once called it that, brought civility, culture, and the one true faith to Mexico. I'm the first person to promote that if the Inquisition brought any gifts here, it was healthcare and education. That's why most hospitals and schools are still named for saints or Jesus' mother. On the other hand, once again, it wasn't all rainbows and butterflies following freedom from Spain. Yes, the Inquisition was finally over and the caste system removed, in theory. In reality, like the history of slavery in the U.S., it still permeates today. Watch any telenovela to see the heroine be blonde and light-skinned, while the evil Alexis Carrington type of character will be dark-haired and skinned. For your average Mexican, life didn't really change all that much with freedom from Spain, and on came the revolutions and parade of presidents that were assassinated, replaced, and assassinated yet again. Not to mention the French bopped into rule for 3 bloody years that resulted in nothing more positive than one of Betty Davis's 1930s movies, Juarez, playing the doomed monarch's mentally unstable wife. Then, a century following freedom from Spain, came the war, providing a separation of church and state, plus the reappropriation of church real estate. For example, that is why Bella Artes is an arts center today, and no longer a convent for cloistered nuns. Still, taking in the good and the bad, following freedom from Spain, being released from a racist foreign colonial power, can hardly be viewed as a bad thing. As always, feel free to click like and subscribe, and you'll be notified as new videos as they come out here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.